This project is the filtered truth. We will see which filter could make the clearest water. Will it be filter A with activated carbon or filter B with no activated carbon? We will have a total of 5 trials for each filter. Let's get started. We will add a half a cup of muddy water. Oh yeah, first let's go over the materials. We have stone, pebbles, sands, activated carbon, and cotton balls. And we can't forget dirty water. Let's add a half a cup of our dirty water. Look how clear the water is. This is the results of trial 1. And this is the results of trial 5. Filter B will go through the same steps as filter A. Let's talk about the materials. So now we have stone, pebbles, sands, and cotton balls. No activated carbon. We will go through 5 trials. We will need a half a cup of dirty water. Trial 1 results, and trial 5 results. Compare trial 1. Trial 1 with activated carbon is clearer. Now let's compare trial 5. Trial 5 with activated carbon is the clearest of all. Activated carbon produced the clearest water. This is because activated carbon is porous. It collects chemicals and toxins, viruses and bacteria, fungus, and contaminants, and odor. Therefore, the water became clearer with activated carbon. Thanks for tuning in.